What's up, pals and palettes? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be creating this beautiful look on my model Ramen, and I included some colorful eyeshadows. So I wanted to show you how to create this look, and if you want to learn, please keep on watching. How did you guys like that intro? Please give me a thumbs up for it. So we're going to start off by priming the face, and then we are going to go in with some color correction on my model here. You guys can see that she does have some under eye dark circles and some hollows. So we're going to tackle that first with some Peach Luster by MAC. So I'm applying this with a fluffy brush, and then I'm going to pat it out with a damp sponge. This one's by Real Techniques. And then I'm also going in with a little bit more of a pink kind of tone and applying that into that area as well. This is really going to help neutralize everything. For the foundation, I wanted to show you how I blend two foundations together and then also work that down the neck a little bit. And I wanted to show you the difference of how the foundation should look when it's on and how it looks just when there's bare skin. You want to even out the skin tone. It should be very balanced. So one side has foundation on, the other side doesn't. And now we're going to go ahead and complete the whole face. We're going to do some highlighting underneath the eyes, on the chin, between the brows, and pat everything out. This is going to help brighten these areas. And then you want to make sure that you set them. Go ahead and do this with translucent powder. And then I'm taking the Sephora contour palette and just hitting all the contour areas. And you guys know that I love these Sephora palettes. They are amazing. Hint, hint, giveaway coming soon. Stay tuned for that. Make sure you check out my Instagram. For the cheeks, I'm using two blushes by Makeup Geek, and they blend together so beautifully. And then I'm spritzing on some Fix Plus all over the face. Moving on to the eyes, which is my favorite part of this look, we are taking MAC Cork and applying this into the hollows of the lid. Then applying a little bit of a shimmer shade, and today's star is the Sephora Editorial palette. So we're applying this underneath the brows. With the fluffy brush, we're going in with this shade right here, which is almost like a peachy orange, and applying this above the color Cork. I'm taking this yellow shade and applying that on top as well. I wanted to be a little different with this look and play around with some color. I also asked you guys on Instagram for your input, and you suggested playing with color, so I went ahead and did that. On the lid, I'm applying this shade right here, and it is a shimmer shade. I'm taking this really hot pink, applying that to the outer corners. I'm using my pinky almost like a guard because it's helping me create a sharp edge. I really loved how these colors look together. It looked really, really amazing. Don't be afraid to play with hot pinks and oranges and yellows. This look actually came together very, very nicely. I'm also adding a little bit of a darker brown just into the crease ever so slightly, just to add a little bit of definition. Now I'm going to be taking that same shade that we put at the front, and I'm going to apply a little bit of Fix Plus to it to make it look a lot more shinier and shimmery, and you guys can see the difference from one eye to the other. Go ahead and apply some eyeliner. I'm using the usual Kat Von D Trooper. This is one of my favorite eyeliners. I absolutely love using this, and I have such precision when I'm using this. We're going to hit the lashes with some mascara, so go ahead and apply this and then prep the lashes for some falsies. I'm going to be using Koko lashes in Goddess, and you guys just make sure that whenever you're working on someone, get them to look really low and make sure that they don't shut their eyes, because that will glue their eyes shut, so be a little careful with that. So once the lashes are on, we're going on to the bottom lashes and applying the Tarte Fake Awake eyeliner. This makes the eyes look so much bigger, and I just loved how this was looking. Even my model was like, I need to see what that product is because it is amazing. We're going in with that hot purple underneath the eye and then taking a darker purple by Makeup Geek and smudging this just in the outer corners. It's really good to use like smudger brushes or flatter brushes for this because you really are able to control the product. I'm taking Becca Champagne Pop and just applying this onto the inner corners of the eyes and just underneath a little bit, and then making sure I add some mascara because once you add that mascara, it just adds a little bit more contrast and darkness back to the bottom lashes. We're going to go in with that highlight and use a fan brush at the highest points of her cheeks, and I love highlight. It looks so amazing, and this just looked so beautiful on her. It just gives the right amount of glow and it worked beautifully with the whole look. For the lips, I'm going in with NYX Peekaboo Neutral, which is a gorgeous lip liner. It kind of just looks like your natural lip color, and that's what I was going for this. So I'm taking Maybelline Touch of Spice and just applying that with a disposable wand. So as you can see, it doesn't look like there's so much color or pigment. It just kind of looks a bit sheer, which was what I was going for. And then I'm going in with the Jouer lip gloss and just applying that to the centers to make the lips look plumper. We're also gonna go in and put on a yellow bindi. I thought, why not? I'm playing with color, and I got this bindi from India when I went, so it's so beautiful, so detailed. And guys, this is a finished look. Let me know what you guys thought. I loved playing with different colors, and the reds, the purples just worked so beautifully together. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, and I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks guys for watching.